Hello my friends, in my previous video I was talking about magnetic claws that I got bunch of them, and that's why I keep the original DJI camera cage. So, and this is what I mean. As you see, some left, and whatever accessories I have, I just attach one of them. And that's why I said I don't really care about 1/4 inches anymore, because here's the, if I need a 1/4 inch, put it on a tripod or something, I just have this adapter plus the mount, and that works perfectly. So, and here are them. So I put a sign bag because unfortunately it's not reversible, so you can just attach it only in one way, not the another, so they work only that way. I wish they would work both ways, but unfortunately not. Well, I guess it's because of the polarity, because now I'm trying to attach that and that doesn't work. So yeah, it's because of the magnet polarity. So, but that works perfectly. And that's a Chinese brand. This is what it's called. It was branding here, but as you can see, I taped that because I was like big ugly sign. Well, not that I ashamed of that brand or anything, no, I just don't like to display brands in general, trying not to. And also another thing, I have the mount adapter from GoPro, and not from, for GoPro, and that also compatible with these mounts. So basically this is how it works. Yeah, very satisfied with this. It's as strong as original. I have no problems with them. It's okay, and yeah, looks reliable. As long as you hear that click, you're good to go. I'll test it if you're using it on a car or something, but nice. Yeah.